This is my curry goat. I'm getting ready to put on the fire. Alright. Making some rice and peas with
That's what you want, milk,
curry
right?
goat. Alright, stay tuned and you will see the finished product. So this is how I start my curry goat. Pay attention. A little bit of vegetable oil. Give the goat a little bit of color. Alright. So the fire is under the pot. Fire is blazing. Alright, where's the goat? Bring over the goat. Alright, take this out the way. Bring the goat. Now so the goat is right here. Giving the goat a little bit of color. A little bit of brown first and then the curry. Alright, mixing up some extra flavor. Alright, so this flavor is for when it's after it's pre-cooked. And it will be this and then the carrots. Okay, doing your thing. Alright, it's about time to add my spring water and let it gently cook for about an hour and a half. Right. Awesome. A little bit more. Okay, that's enough. Alright. Alright, now select this bad boy. Just leave it alone for this meat until this meat starting to get soft. Alright. Alright, so I'm about to prepare the coconut milk for the rice and peas. And when I say prepare, I mean I take this here can opener and I just open the can. What kind of prepare you think I was talking about? Grate in the coconut. Now, so I'm going to pour this here coconut water into this here rice and peas. Just like this.
Now, Sam, what is your issue? It keeps falling. Where does it keep falling at?
Alright.
Let me see.
Here we go.
It's gonna fall because the pillow is on a slant.
Nice.
The pillow flat.
Nice and creamy. Alright, cover it up back and let it continue to cook. Well, as you can see, I just add the rice to the peas. Let it cook down for a little bit, and I put a little bit of butter into it. And just let it go on home. Alright, so everything is simmering down nicely. Alright. Looking good. Just let it dry out a little bit more. Alright. Alright. Alright, the stove is on low. Just gonna take its time. Just to be dried out a little bit. Alright. And right over here. Alright. Alright, the meat is feeling tender, so now I can add the rest of the carrots and the onions, etc., etc. And we in business. Curry goat, baby. Alright, let me go ahead and add the carrots. Alright. Alright, let the carrots take set for about 10 minutes. And I add the rest of the ingredients. Alright, simmering down nicely. Another 5 or 10 minutes and this, I can turn off the stove. Rice and peas Looking great. All right. Awesome. All right, so it's time to bring this boat to the shores. All right. Cargo is done. Rice and peas is done. You can see some plantains over here. Get me a fork. Plantain is ready. All right, good. Looking good. All right. Rice and peas with coconut milk is done. And wonderful curry goat with some carrots is done. Okay, folks, hope you enjoy the show. Any questions, send me a message, a comment, etc., etc. Right, let me get this, get the planting stove off. All right. Okay. I don't typically taste food when I cook it, but let me taste this gravy. Awesome. All right.